Hey Vicki, it's Corey. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips. This is just going to help you start really outranking your competition and really bring in that quality work for your website as well. Just browsing over your website for a second. The three things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, 2,000 words, being really authoric on what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding a little bit more content, you're able to stick in more keywords. Keywords are what you're actually being found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, it's all content. You got download one on a few of these. You can actually switch those out. It's just going to help with your rankings even more. You got so if I go inside of Google here and type in Pavers Orlando, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map pack right here. Now, to get these top rankings in the map section is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. This right here really comes down to how much authoric content you have on your website, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go in and take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So it looks like right now you got 26 referring domains, which is pushing back to 67 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had about 159. You started this website back in 2013 or so. Looks like you are running an ad. You got that PPC stands for pay per click. I don't know if you're doing any TV, radio. I know those ads get pretty pricey as well. So you got 26 clicks to your website every month. We can actually come in and see where these clicks are actually coming from. So these are all organic, by the way. We could probably find that ad. It might be on the second page. Anyway, so you got your name here for a lot of it. You got asphalt management, asphalt paving Orlando. There's 20 clicks for that one keyword. You're 13th position, so you're missing all the traffic. Just trying to find those keywords like let's go to the second page. Blacktop paving companies near me. Looks like you're running an ad on that. You're 63rd position on that. Florida Black Hole, paving services. Let me show you. This is one of your competitors here. This is Orlando Brick Pavers. This is all organic too, by the way, what I'm showing you. These guys are the PPC. It looks like they're not running any ads in here. They got 41 referring domains, which is pushing back 552 backlinks. They got 276 keywords they're being found for, and they got 233 clicks. Coming in and see where these clicks are coming from. So their position, the amount of clicks per keyword, also the amount of clicks for each keyword for itself as well. Giving you a couple examples here. Orlando Pavers, there's 100 clicks for that one keyword in the area. They're getting 34 clicks out of the 100, so that's 34%, which is really good. Pavers Orlando, there's another 60 clicks every month. They're getting 27 clicks out of the 60. So really finding all these keywords, that's really going to bring in a lot more quality work for yourself. Making sure you have enough power so you can actually get a good ranking, so you can actually draw in a decent amount of traffic is real crucial. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan to help you get there. Feel free to reach back out to me, or if you want to give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.